in Madurai, where the Tamilga Vetri Kazhagam second state conference is about to kick off today. The crowd has already started to pour in, and youngsters are there in high numbers who have gathered here since yesterday. With over 1.5 lakh cadres and supporters pouring into here, actor turned politician Vijay lay out his vision for the 2026 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. This is shaping up to be a historic moment for TVK. As we look around, this massive 500-acre venue is buzzing with anticipation, and originally set for August 25, the event was rescheduled to avoid Vinayagar Chaturthi, and the turnout has already seemed to be massive. There is also a 1 kilometer ramp that has been made ready here for Vijay to interact with his supporters. Now, expectations are sky high as cadres wait his roadmap. They await that he is going to announce his roadmap for the Tamil Nadu politics. There are medical teams comprising of 150 to 200 doctors and more than 500 ambulances which are on standby here in case of any emergency. There are food stalls that are ready. There are about 8 lakh water bottles that have been arranged. Drones are also expected to deliver medical kits. All kind of safety measures are in place with over 3,000 police personnel deployed who are overseeing elaborate security and traffic plans here. There are diversion routes for vehicles from across Tamil Nadu, and post-event measures are also in place to prevent accidents as lakhs of people leave this massive venue. The scale of coordination matches the soaring energy of the crowd, and the excitement here among the people is palpable. Cadres are buzzing with hope that Vijay will give a speech that will unveil bold policies on clean governance and social justice. Some see this as a nod to the late Vijay Kant's legacy, given Madurai's significance and the original dates linked to his birth anniversary. There are young voters who are expecting Vijay to counter the critics with a strong on-ground presence and a clear 2026 strategy. Madurai, a city steeped in Tamil heritage, is the perfect stage for TVK's ambitious leap. With over 1.5 lakh people are expected to gather here, the energy is already high and the expectations are soaring for Vijay to deliver a powerful speech. Will this conference cement TVK as Tamil Nadu's next political game changer? We'll be bringing you all the updates from the event. Stay tuned.